Once you have scheduled a meeting, you can add a poll. From ryerson.zoom.us/meeting, click on the name of your scheduled meeting. Scroll to the bottom and choose Add a Poll. If you do not check off Anonymous, you will be able to see user information in the poll reports. Either way, Zoom meeting participants will never be able to see who answered what, even when you select the option to share final results. You then have the opportunity to add your question and decide if it's going to be single choice or multiple choice. You can then add as many answers as you would like. And once you're done, you can scroll down to the bottom and save it, or choose to add another question. Here, you can go ahead and repeat the previous steps to add another question. Now that we've added our 2 questions, we're all done with this poll, so we're going to go ahead and save it. At the bottom of the page, you can now see all the poll information, edit it, delete it, or add another one. So we're going to go ahead and make another poll and put in all the information for our question just like before. So we now have 2 polls, so we're going to go ahead and launch our meeting. We are now in Zoom, so say you would like to launch your poll, you can go down to the bottom and click Polling. Here you can see all the polls you've created and choose which one you'd like to launch. No one can see this until you actually click Launch Poll down at the bottom. So say we decide we want to launch it, we're going to click the button, and now all the students can see this poll and answer the questions. Only you can see who's participated and what the results are. You can also see how long the poll has been active and choose when you would like to end it. So we're going to go down to the bottom now and end the poll. After ending the poll, you have access to the results. So you can close that off and continue your lecture. And say you want to launch your next poll, you're going to go back down to the bottom and click Polling and select your second poll. We're going to launch it and you'll be able to see all the same information as before. We're going to end it, and this time we're going to share the results with the students so they can see. So we're going to click the blue button on the left-hand side, and now all the students can see the results. You also have the option to edit polls on the fly while you're doing a Zoom lecture. So you're going to go to your polls and click Edit on the top right-hand side. You will be launched back into the form from before, and you can fill it out with all the information you need. After saving your poll or making any edits, you can go back to Zoom and see the changes that you've made. So here we can see the new poll we've created. Although editing and adding polls on the fly is an option, it is not recommended while you are giving a lecture, as it will be very distracting. To download your poll reports, you will go to ryerson.zoom.us and sign in. From here, you will go to the left sidebar menu and select Reports. You will then select Meeting. In this menu, you will select Poll Report and choose a day or time frame you would like to search in. You will then select Search. You will now see a list of all the meetings you did polls in during that time frame. To generate the poll reports, you will go to the right-hand side and select Generate. You will then be able to see all the poll reports from that meeting and choose which one you'd like to download. To do this, you will go to the right-hand side and select Download. You are then able to choose where on your computer you would like to save the poll reports. You can select Save and they will begin to download.